Are you ready to witness the power of handheld fiber laser welding on aluminum? Today, we're diving into the world of advanced welding techniques. With the use of fiber laser technology, we can achieve precise and clean welds on aluminum materials. The handheld device allows for flexibility and ease of use, making welding a breeze. The focused beam of the fiber laser creates a concentrated heat source, resulting in fast and efficient welding. This technology is revolutionizing the welding industry, providing high-quality results in a fraction of the time. Say goodbye to traditional welding methods and hello to the future of welding with fiber laser technology. Whether you're a professional welder or a hobbyist, this tool is a game changer for all your welding needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos on the latest welding techniques and technology. See you next time.
Chưa dùng được hoàn thủ.